How to install and run Windows 11 on Chromebook. Prerequisites: you'll need one with an Intel or AMD 86-64 processor, ideally with at least 8GB RAM and 64GB or more storage. You'll need another Windows computer to create the Windows 11 installation media. USB flash drive, at least 8GB for the Windows 11 installation media. Back up all your data. This process will erase everything on your Chromebook. First, power off your Chromebook, then press Escape plus Refresh plus Power simultaneously to enter recovery mode. Press Ctrl+D to enable developer mode. Follow the on-screen prompts, understanding that this will wipe your device. Open a terminal using Ctrl+Alt+T, then run scripts, for example, MrChromebook-box.txt to replace your Chromebook stock firmware with a UEFI compatible one. On your separate Windows PC, download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website. Insert the Windows 11 USB installation media into your Chromebook. Lastly, boot your Chromebook and follow the standard Windows 11 installation prompts.